Step 1 guys, make sure your fog lamp cover or the garnish is clean. Remove all residues or whatever dirt is on it, right? And I use this water wax from Waxco. Pretty much cleans up the surface and gives it a shiny outlook. The main agenda is to make sure that it's clean and I know there's no any leftover dirt or debris on it. So these are some of the products which I use, or the components or the equipments. I got this Aeropack rubber paint from Mr. DIY. It's pretty cheap. I got it about probably about 10 ringgit Malaysia. And some of the masking tapes which you can get it from Mr. DIY as well, or any of the hardware stores, right? Mask it down, put on some papers, and only leave the project area left behind so that you can actually spray it on. You do not have to worry about overspraying on the surface because, as I said, this is a rubber paint. You can actually easily peel it off without any hassle, right? Put on about 2 or 3 coats up to your heart's desire and see how does it turn out. If it fits well, remove all the masking, the papers and everything, and inspect the area you have painted and see if you have made any mistakes. If there are any mistakes, then you can rerun the whole thing again by peeling it off. So this is the end product after spraying on it. Now moving on to the next one. Same steps are being done. Mask it down, spray about 2 or 3 layers up to your heart's desire, and if you feel that's more than enough and you're happy with the end results, then remove the masking and then see for any impurities on the surface. For example, maybe the bubbles, or maybe there are some additional points which are not painted. You can redo that again. So at this part here, you'll be able to see that there's a small form of overspray which I have done. So this is by accident, because even though with me masking it down, I still had that part left behind. You see, I just press it over and it just peels off easily. So you do not have to worry about it being oversprayed on the body of your car, because you can actually just peel it off without any problem. Alright, so this is the end product for the fog lamp cover, where I've sprayed it in matte black. And it doesn't hurt your pocket because it's cheap. The products are cheap. I got it off from DIY, and yeah, it gives your car an overall better look. Thank you guys.